Okay, it's all primed. I've masked off the red and I've mottled in or splattered where the insignia white's going to go. And I just use a piece of the scourer, seeing I use the splatter template on the A-4 Top Gun. I thought I'd do something different with this one, so I use that. And I think it's really nice with 1/72. It's got a nice effect. I've done I've done the other wing where the white will be. So on the upper surface of the wing, the control surfaces are white, and all of the underside stabilizers are white, top and bottom. And I've done the other control surfaces for this wing, and all the other doors, gear doors, the steps. So I've painted the inside of them. Now I've just got to do the outside, and I've painted up landing gear. So that's the nose one. That's that's the left leg. Yeah, so I'm going to do the insignia white up next, which I think I showed I'd be using this one. So it's A-6A real colour insignia white FS 17875. Alright, got the white down. I've kept it giving it a dirty look, grubby look, which is the look I'm going for. So that's going to have a clear gloss coat, and then I'm going to see if I need to, if I want to touch it in more or leave it as is. Once I'm happy with it, then I can mask off the white and move on to the light gull grey. White is masked off, so I use Tamiya tape and white tack worms. I've got a huge blob of it. I use white tack, which is I haven't got a case, but it's not as oily as the blue tack. So I sprayed some black primer back down to cover where the overspray of the white was, and I've used the scourer to do the splatter again. On the underside I used grey for the splatter because I was spray painting white. On top I've used white because I'm using the light gull grey. So I'm going to paint that in now and then give it another clear coat, and I'll be able to unmask all of that tape. Okay, light gull grey is down. I've kept it dirty looking like the white on the underside, and I've painted in the green strip on the top of the tail, which has the scheme I'm doing. I just picked out a bottle of green that's close to the green on the decal. So now I still have to mask and paint in the leading edges, which is radome colour, and the walkways and the black that goes around the nose, or sorry, the front of the windscreen. So there's quite a bit more masking off to do. So I'll probably do the radome section next. Okay, finally done. So I've put in the walkways, the black on the nose, and the radome leading edges on the stabilizers as well. So that is now ready for some decals. The other wing is all done, so I've painted up everything else. So it's all good to go.